Hi, I'm Gina, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a basic petal using prepared wire for Ganutell. So let's get started. To make a petal using your prepared wire for Ganutell, you need to have your prepared wire and you need to have a core wire. This can be a fine wire or a thicker wire, anything that best suits your project. Hold your prepared wire alongside and wrap it as many times around the core wire as either your pattern states or your, how you want to do it if you're making them up. Then take the whole thing and rotate anti-clockwise, come down and wrap around. This time I'm encasing the starter thread as well, starter wire. Then I'm going to rotate again and I'm going to repeat. And I'm going to do it again. That's one round, by the way. And then again. Again. And because I've done it twice, I'm just going to snip the end of this. You can carry on a little bit longer than that if you want, but I know that I'm only making a smallish petal. And so you just keep going in the same way, trying to line your wire up alongside the previous wrap. So I'm coming short now, so I shall finish there by wrapping around the stem a little bit, what is now the stem. And that basically is your first leaf. So what you need to do now is just snip off the end, leave some of the end, and then take that right to the back. Can you see what I've done there? And press it in. I should be using my flat pliers, but I've not brought them into this room with me. And there is a basic prepared wire petal. Our kits do show you how to do a couple of other shapes as well, because you can get quite creative with this. It's more substantial. Now, the difference with these petals as opposed to any of your spiral wrap petals is you can now manipulate them. So if you want this petal to bend right down, you can do that now with the thread there and you're not going to lose any definition. So that's really nice when you're doing complex flowers, such as some of these. Thank you for watching. I hope that that's shown you something a little bit different. Take care of yourselves, do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.